Good evening, everyone. Before I begin my presentation, I would like to explain why I selected this project. Nowadays, online food delivery has become an important part of our daily lives. People have busy schedules, so they prefer ordering food online instead of visiting restaurants. People applications like Swiggy, Zomato have made this process simple. I wanted to understand how these real world applications are developed and how technologies like React.js, Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB work together to create a complete web application. I also wanted to learn secure authentication, online payment integration, database management, and AI based recommendations in a single project. Therefore, I selected the AI powered food delivery website. This project helped me apply my theoretical knowledge to a real world application and improve my technical, analytical, and problem solving skills. So, now I would like to explain my project in detail. So, first of all, yeah, this is Divyasri. Today I am presenting my internship project titled AI Powered by Food Delivery Website. The main objective of this project is to provide customers with a secure, fast, user-friendly platform to order food online. Using this application, customers can create an account, log in securely, browse at restaurants, view menus, add food items to the shopping cart, complete online payments, and view their order history. One of the main highlights of the project is the AI recommendation system, which suggests food item based on user interest and preferences. To build this project, I used Node.js, React.js, Express.js, MongoDB, Redux Toolkit, JWT Authentication, Cloudinary, and Stripe Payment Gateway. Through this project, I learned the complete software development process, from requirement analysis to the development, testing, debugging, and implementation. Now we have to move on. Internship overview and goals. During my internship, I worked, I worked as a full stack web development intern. Initially, I learned front end technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Then, I learned backend technologies including Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, Mongoose, JWT Authentication, Cloudinary, Stripe Payment Gateway, and Postman. These internships gave me practical knowledge of developing complete applications instead of only learning theory. I learned how front-end and back-end communicate through APIs, how data is stored in MongoDB, how secure authentication protects user accounts. So, I also understood the software development lifecycle, including planning, development, testing, debugging, deployment, and maintenance. The main goal of the internship was to gain practical industry experience and improving my technical skills, teamwork, and problem solving abilities. So, next, this is the project overview and requirements. The AI powered food delivery website is designed to simplify the online food ordering process. Users can create an account, log in securely, browse restaurants, search food items, explore menus, add products to the shopping cart, complete secure payments, and place orders. The application includes several modules such as user authentication, restaurant management, food menu management, shopping cart, payment gateway integration, order management. So, let's take one example. If a customer comes home after work, they can open the application, browse restaurants, order their favorite food, complete payment, and receive the order without visiting the restaurant. This application saves time, improves convenience, and provides a better customer experience. So, next we have to move on system architecture. This project follows the one-stack architecture. The front end is developed using React.js with reusable components. Redux Toolkit manages application state efficiently. The backend is developed using Node.js and Express.js. REST APIs process user requests. And next, the MongoDB stores users, restaurants, food items, shopping carts, etc. And JWT user authentication provides secure login. Stripe payment gateway process secure online payments. So, for example, when a user clicks add to cart, the request is sent to the backend stored in MongoDB and updated card is displayed immediately. So, this is the example of system architecture. Now, let's move on database design. MongoDB is used because it stores data efficiently in JSON-like documents. The project contains users, restaurants, menus, food items, cart, orders, coupons. Each collection stores specific information. And for example, when a customer logins, MongoDB retrieves the customer's profile, previous orders, and shopping cart. A properly designed database improves speed, data consistency, and application performance. And from the order schema includes delivery information, user details, restaurant details, and order food items like total amount. Now, yeah, this is the project implementation. The project was developed module by module. First, I created the front end using React.js. Then I developed backend API using Node.js and Express.js. MongoDB was connected using Mongoose. JWT authentication was implemented for secure log. CRUD operations were developed for users, restaurants, food items, shopping cart, and orders. Stripe payment gateway was integrated for secure payments. Now, finally, every module was tested. Errors were fixed before moving to the next module. Yeah, this is the project implementation. Now, let's move on. Key features. These are the main features of this project. Customers can browse restaurants. Food items can be added to the shopping cart. Users can increase or decrease quantities or remove items. Stripe payment gateway provides secure online payment. Orders are automatically stored in the database. Users can view order history. AI recommendations suggest suitable food items. The application is responsive and works on desktop and mobile devices. Yeah, these are the challenges and learning outcomes. During development, I faced several technical challenges. Some challenges included Redux state management, MongoDB database connectivity, authentication, routing, and API debugging. Now, let's take one example. While integrating the shopping cart, I faced API response issues. I used Postman, browser developer tools, console logs, and MongoDB Compass to identify and fix these problems. This improved my debugging skills, logical thinking, and confidence. I also learned the importance of testing every module before deployment. Yeah, future enhancements and project demo. The application can be improved by adding live order tracking, push notifications, ratings, and reviews, Google Maps integration, voice search, and Support. The AI recommendation system can be enhanced using machine learning algorithms to provide more personalized solutions. These enhancements will improve customer satisfaction, make the application more scalable and intelligent. These are the future enhancements. Now let's move on our project demonstration. Now I would like to demonstrate lighting the working of my AI-powered food delivery website. This demo will explain how a customer uses the application from registration to placing an order. During this project, I focused on creating a simple, secure, and user-friendly experience. First of all, this is the home page. Yeah, this is the front end and back end. Yeah, let's see localhost 5173. Let's minimize. When a user opens the website, they can immediately see the navigation bar, feature restaurants, food categories, popular food items. The homepage is designed with a clean and responsive layout so that it works smoothly on both desktop and mobile devices. The main purpose of this page to help users quickly discover restaurants and food items. Users can scroll through the available options and choose the restaurant they want. Yeah, first of all, I'll log out. User registration. Now I will demonstrate the user registration page. If a customer using the application for the first time, they need to create an account by entering details such as name, email address, phone number, and password. Already, yeah, login successful. After successful registration, the users can log in using their email and password. The application verifies the users through the backend. Once the login is successful, a JWT authentication token is generated. This token allows users to access protected pages such as the shopping cart, profile, and order history without logging in repeatedly. This authentication mechanism ensures that only authorized users can access personal information. Now, these are the restaurants I have created. After login, users can browse the available restaurants. Each restaurant displays the important information such as the restaurant name, image, description, and available menu items. This is the description of each restaurant. Yeah, review summary. Some dishes were overpriced for their quality offered. Like we have to see food arrived cold for some orders. No, write summary. For example, if a customer wants to order pizza, they can select a restaurant that serves pizza and explore its menu. If a customer wants to KFC, I will select a food item and click add to cart. The selected item is immediately added to the shopping cart. These are the three items I selected. Users can continue browsing and add multiple items according to their preferences. Multiple items. This feature improves user convenience because customers can order several food items in a single order. Shopping cart. Now I will open the shopping cart. Cart process server. Now let's check out process. After confirming the cart, user proceed the checkout page. Here the entering delivery information such as address and contact details. The application validates the information before allowing payment. This helps ensure that order reaches the correct delivery location. Now, name, history, address, Karimnagar, pin 505122, name, number. These are the details. This helps ensure that the order reaches the correct delivery location. Online payment. Now I will demonstrate the payment process. For this demonstration, I am showing the payment flow. In a real-world environment, Stripe securely confirms the payment before complete the order. It shows your order has been placed successfully. Once the payment is successful, the backend automatically creates a new order. The complete order information, including customer details, food items, payment status, delivery address, and total amount, is stored in the MongoDB database. The customer then receives an order confirmation message. Let's check order history. Now I will open the order history page. Here, users can view all previous orders. Each order displays orders, food items, total price, payment status, and delivery details. This feature allows customers to easily track their previous purchases and reorder their favorite meals whenever they want. This is the user profile. Users can view and update their personal information whenever required. Keeping profile information updated helps ensure smooth communication and accurately delivery. AI recommendation system. One of the unique features of the project is the AI recommendation system. Based on customer preferences and browsing behavior, the application recommends relevant food items. Let's take one example. If a customer frequently orders pizzas and burgers, the application can recommend similar items during future visits. This provides a personal experience and improves customer satisfaction. I have demo conclusion. Overall, the project successfully demonstrates the complete workflow of an online food delivery application. It includes user registration, secure login, restaurant browsing, menu management, shopping cart functionality, checkout, secure payment, order management, order history. Developing this project gave me practical experience in full stack web development and helped me understand how real world applications are designed and implemented using the MERN stack. This completes the demonstration of my AI powered food delivery website. Yeah. Uh, Finally, conclusion. Mm. This internship provided me with a valuable practical experience in full stack web development. I successfully developed an AI-powered food delivery website using Node.js, MongoDB Redux, JWT Authentication. This project improved my programming skills, front-end and back-end development, REST API development, database management, debugging authentication, and payment integration skills. Most importantly, I want to say it increased my confidence in building real-world software applications and prepared me for future software development opportunities. I would like to sincerely thank WSA Internship, my mentors, and everyone who supported me throughout this internship. Thank you for everyone for your valuable time and attention. I am happy to answer my questions. Thank you.